This okay? Shall I continue the next part? Up to this part, okay? Okay, fine. With that, you also okay? Right. So then, that means now the header part is over. Right, very good. Okay, that means now the header part is over. We will see what the small, that, not header part is not over still, I think. Some more things are there, right? Yes. Uh, uh, so, yes, there is another part is here. Yes, let create the, yes, this part we have to do. Create the sign in button as shown. Send the font size to 18 pixel. Font color to white. Set the background color to Fabric. Add the hyperlink to sign form HTML. So we'll see how we can do this one. So we have to create a button here. So carefully see. So these type of thing you also might get in your paper. Right. I will slowly do it now. Uh, uh, okay, we will create a button first. So button mean, say button. So we'll create right side submit button. Okay, submit button. Okay, right. So okay, we'll see button type. Okay. So right now what will happen? We'll say Control S and see what will happen here. We'll see. Button has come here. So right, some problem, button type, submit. Submit. Okay. Button type. Class is C. Okay. Okay. We'll define the class also and we see whether by this button type. Okay. Yes. We have to put sign in. Okay. Then yes. Now we'll see Control S. You see, right. Now button has come. Okay, you see the button has come now. To get the button, this is the command. Okay, so button type, submit, sign in. Okay, sign in, button has come. Carefully see how we are going to do it. So Control A, so button has come. Now see, but now button has come after the palace. No. So where do I want the button? According to the question, I want the button. That means from the Love London, that side, no, Love London, after the, so there only I need. So what I do is, I will put this button, copy, cut, and I'll put it up. So we'll see now how it is. It has come here. Okay, right. Now we will, by class, while our style sheet, we can adjust the button. Okay, right. Okay, right. So for the button, we will have a class. Okay, we'll say sign, we'll say sign. Okay, sign. Okay, so then I will say here button type submit. There I will say class is equal to sign. Class is equal to sign. That means this here question. Top of the CSS code. Yes, sure. Okay, thank you. Right. So then we'll say sign. Sign there. So the sign that now we have to apply the styles for the, you see. So we have to apply the styles for the button. The font size is 18 pixel. So the font color they are given. Okay, right. So then, right. So we will apply that style. Font size is 18 pixel. Font size 18 pixel. Background color. Background color this. Then flood is right. Flood is right. So we'll have a border radius 20 pixel. Okay. Then color. Okay. So control S. We'll save this one. Okay, that button has come there. Okay, right. Clear, right. So that is before the, that means, so before the text, the button has come, right? Okay. So, so then still some more things to be done. I have, when I click here, it has to open, that sign in form. I have a sign in form now. This sign in form must be open. So for this button, when I click this button, now this button coding is okay. So this part is okay. So you get the button now, but when you click the button, uh, the form should open. So then what I have to do? I have to say here, href sign in form .html. Okay, and close this. Control S. Problem. Right. Okay. Any question? Okay. Right. Okay. So then still I didn't save this one. Control S. It is not working. No, it should open that file. So we'll check that what is the issue there. Href. So what is the mistake I have done here? Href. I didn't close this anchor tag here. I didn't close this anchor tag. So Control S. Now I will come here, reload. Right. So that is working. So you understand? So clearly see, so this part. So then in your coding, in your exam, say for example, you may place a button. So you must know how to keep a button first. Then you must know how to link a page to that button. Can you complete the up to this part? Shall I continue? You are doing this still? Right. Okay. Thank you. And if you want time, tell me, I'll try. So then, gentlemen, now, so you have come to a level now, say, so you have come to a level that some of the header part is over. That means you say now this 20 marks question, so it's a 20 marks question. No? So you have completed this part. So while when you are doing the exam, don't worry about the small adjustment. First of all, you finish the structure, and after that you do the here and there some small adjustments. Okay, right. This header part is okay. Now what we had to do? So this part now this you see, you can see the prototype here. You see now I have to a guide dot, I have to have a JPG here, and again food.jpg. There are two parts here. Okay, there are two parts here. So then tour guide JPG mean this image should come. Would mean this part should come. Okay, right. How to we'll see slowly we'll start that part. Okay. Now here when you take the question here, so this is a content part. Okay. So under the content, you have two columns. So under the content, you have two columns. Say we say column 1 and the column 2. Okay. Column, so when you are doing, say, column 1, say, okay. So column 1 and the column 2. Okay, right. So after that, you have the footer part, right? So, right. Now what I do is, so I will have a content. Okay. So here, so I'll be saying here, div class equal to content. Right. So then I will keep a class for the content. We'll see what we can do on that one. Content. Right. In the content, okay, when you see this here, see the question, there's a gap between the content. There's a gap between this content. So for that one, we'll say padding. We'll say padding top. Padding top is 20 pixel. So control is right. Now we'll. So here see the question. This is the first column and this is the second column. Right. We'll start with working with the this content part. A content, you have two columns. So now I will divide this into two columns. See the way I am doing it clearly. So the content. So this content is the content will be divided into two columns. Okay. So here one, this is one and this is two. So here I will be having inside this, I will say, so div class column 1. Okay, class column 1. Then I will definitely this I close it for a moment, then you see. Right. So here I will have a column 1. I'll have a column 1. Okay. So here column 1, now I will have another class called column 2. Okay, so control S. So I will have another copy. Column 2. Okay, right. Control S. So you understand now this, if you say now the content divided into two parts, column 1 and column 2. Okay, right. If you see control S, if you open here, okay, only the padding the padding part is shown here. Okay, right. Uh, okay, because here the container we have put the background color here. You see, because the question they say the content should be in the background color blue. Okay. Okay, then that part is so. Right now we will see the column 1, how we are going to do this one. Okay, we'll see carefully how we are going to how we are going to do the column 1 part. In the column 1, what you have to do? The column 1, you can see here. Okay, so what you do is now here the column 1, column 2, then this part is now we have to divide that content to two parts. Okay, so what I do is I will divide this column 1. For the column 1, I will take say with this with the 100 percentage, I'll take 48 percentage. Okay, then for the column 2, I will take say so 46 percentage. Okay, this is you can adjust later if you have anything. Right. So with the fourth right. So now we will see the column 1 what they are giving. In the column 1, say columns. Insert two columns. Set the background color to white. Okay, set the background color to white smoke. Okay, so set the background color to white smoke. So then what I do is in the column 1, so we say background color content. Okay. Yes. Uh, mm, Small question, instead of color code, can I add the color name? Yes, sure. Now, yeah, you can do it. Yes. Now here color code, say color. Yes, you can do it. Yes. Say we'll say blue and see. Okay. You can. I'll show you a place where we can. Still, this not completed. You can. Uh, yeah, I'll show you. You can do no problem. Okay, right. You can add the color also. Both are same. Okay, right. Uh, yeah, right. Then the column. So column background with this column one is okay. Then we will put a. So here background color. Say background color. We are saying the background color. They are giving the background colors. Background color. Background color is okay. Border radius 25 pixel. Okay. Border radius is 25 pixels. You know, it is the shape is there, no? You see, it's 25 pixel. Then column uh, column one is say plot, that is left side, no? So then plot left. So clear. So plot left. So then plot left. Font size is uh, font size is 14 pixel. Font size is 14 pixel. So right now, let me save here. Right. So that no content there, that's why it's not showing anything. Right. Yes, image can be at JPG, PNG, any format is possible. Yes, correct. You can add any format that, but you have to check what is the in the question. You have to check what they are giving. Okay, in the format, yes, see, see that they are giving the JPG file now. So then you have to add that file. Yeah, when they are giving a JPG file, here you have to put JPG. If they give a PNG file, you have to whatever the file they are giving, you have to put that name. Hope it is clear. Right. So then the column one, so that part is okay. Right. Now we will see what the in the question we'll see. Insert the images and text and tables as shown. Right. So now in the column one, we have to include the tour guide.jpg. Okay. So here, okay, how do I insert the tour guide.jpg? So now I will say, I will go to my code. Here. So here I will say image, source, assets, tour guide, JPG, class, equal, image box. Okay. So uh, now we'll remove the class and see now whether so without class we'll see how it is going to display. Right. So the images come. Okay. Right. The images come. Uh, right. So in this way also it is possible, I think. Both work, no? Right. Right. So then for the image, so we need to apply some styles. So they are given that style. Okay, not so we'll see. Uh, yeah, href mean it is a link. Okay, right. Good question. Now href mean link. Yes, see now we see that yeah, I have put a button here, submit button. I have linked this sign in form .html to that button. So then this is the anchor tag. You see. So when I click that button here, you can see when I click the button, it will go to the another page. So that page is sign in form.html. Okay. So here the button when I click, it will go to the sign in form HTML. So that is done by this command. You see. So now this is the button content button type submit. This is a button. This button you apply a style that is through the class sign here. I have a sign here. Class is here. This style, this sign, this class will give you a style for this button. The font size and everything. That font size and background color for the button is defined here in this sign class. Okay, the sign class. Instead of HTML, can we add? Yes, you can do link the website also. Yes, can be possible. Yes, yes, can be. You can do it. Yes, yeah, you can link another website also. It can be done. Yes. Yeah. Any question, please? Okay. Thanks for the questions. Okay. Right. So where we stopped. Right now, I have to. You can see this image. There is a oval, that shape is there. This in the image, you can see there are some shape is there. So we will have a class for the image. Uh, So here, dot image box. You see border radius. Twenty pixel width. So we'll put it with 100%. Now and here we'll say class is equal to image box. Okay. So control S, yeah, control S. Okay. Now the full image is coming. Right. Uh, Now you can see there is a small there is a small gap is here. Here there is a gap here. This gap is here. So to get the gap, how do you get the gap? So we'll in the column in the column 1 you can put margin left. So you can put margin left is equal to 20 pixel. So control S. So that has come inside. Okay. Uh, we'll see that. Okay. Right. So then you can see there. Then we'll go to the then you can see here. Yeah, there's a text here. So we had to put that text below the image. You had to put the text. So